we've been missing for a while, we've had stuff to do. But today we are back.
With a banger!
It is race day. We have built this very expensive track and we are going to see who is victorious and the best racer here. Got 4 laps. The final lap will have to go over this nice bench jump here and crash land into the finish line. So let's see who can do it. Over to you.
Welcome back to Jam Your Hype, and it's race day today. This is the track. We go straight down, turn left, left again, do a little wiggle, then over the ramp, right, left, straight, left again, and you're at the finish. We do this again for 3 times, and on the final one, we crash it out over that bench. And that's our track. Ain't it beautiful? Make sure you check out the rest of the video for the race. Make sure you subscribe and like the video.
3, 2, 1, go! One more turn back. Oh, okay. Oh no! God, no, sir! Oh, yes. This is by slow and steady, slow and steady. Thank you, still. Hey, mine's too fast. Come on. Come out of here. I'm so far ahead. Where are you going? I don't know, I'm going that way first. Wait, you cheater! I don't touch you. You're going to me. Lap 1 is done. I'm taking you down. Lucas! I'm winning the speed. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Oh god. I'm going to love you though. This is my 3rd lap. Are we doing 4 laps today? Yeah. It's my 3rd lap on the normal one. I'm going to overlap. Drake, I'm overlapping. Oh no, I'm coming. I'm overlapping. Come on. There's no overlapping here. Come on, I'm overlapping. Go, yeah. I'm on my final lap. Stupid car. Final lap. I feel I made that jump. Oh, bollocks. Yes, car. No, get out of the way. Yes. I made that jump. I'm on this final bit. Get out of the way, Cone. Come on. I'm going to turn this car. I'm going to do it. Come on! Oh, yeah! I'm overtaking Mike! Come on! I made it! So I get over good. Yes! Victorious. And one. Go. Who's gonna make it? Yay! Well, one like this. I'm making a jump 3 times in a row. Oh my god!
Well, I mean that was...
How do you think that went? That was fair. I really enjoyed that. I feel like you two had a battle. I went off. I was gone.
We both messed up the first bit. We got stuck for ages to be able to see it.
Look, I turned to Spain, I was like, what are these cars over here? What happened here? A second lap, this car comes bombing through all the cones. I'm like, where are you going? That was fun.
Rematch. I demand a rematch.
God, that was difficult. That was sick.
Well, that was our racing. Our little one cars.
Winning streak's still going on.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and come back next time.
Nice to see you.
Bye.